How to fix Omegle camera block on a laptop. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Omegle camera block on a laptop. Open up the web browser. Here search Omegle. Open up its site. Then click on video from its homepage. Now tick on all the checkboxes and press confirm and continue. Click on the camera and microphone icon from the top search bar. Choose the always allow access to your camera and microphone option from here. Then click to manage. Open omegle.com site link. From its permissions, go into camera. Set the ask default option in here. Then go back to the Omegle page. Refresh the page, then click on video. Take the checkbox, press to confirm and continue. Allow Omegle to access your camera, then see if the blocked camera problem is fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.